Assalam-o-Alaikum friends, my YouTube channel. Friends, कैसे हैं आप सब? Hope so guys, you are also fine. I'm introducing the pebble art ideas in this video, and friends, you can gain new and different ideas where are more beautiful ideas that's looking so awesome and great super style ideas where I'm introducing, and friends, you will enjoy its beautiful ideas that's I'm sharing with you. That's a very beautiful style ideas, looking most tons design ideas I'm introducing in this video. Have so guys, friends, you will enjoying this beautiful style ideas that are so awesome. You can like this beautiful style ideas where I'm sharing with you. Subscribe my YouTube channel, and guys, you will enjoying its beautiful style ideas where I'm introducing. That's looking so awesome ideas. Hope so guys, and you are enjoying its beautiful style ideas where I'm sharing with you, and you can like its beautiful styles, meaning best ideas where I'm sharing with you. You can enjoying that's are completely different best ideas where I'm introducing with you. You can like the beautiful rock painting ideas, pebble art designs I'm introducing in this video, and you can gain new and different style ideas, the beautiful versatile information designs. That's looking so beautiful ideas where I'm introducing, and you like it's beautiful video. That's a very beautiful styles where I'm sharing with you, and you can gain new and different style ideas where I'm introducing, and you can enjoying these beautiful ideas where I'm sharing with you, and that's looking such a great ideas. Hope so guys, you like this video, and you can enjoying this beautiful style ideas where I'm sharing with you. You can like its beautiful styles, new and versatile ideas, most awesome ideas, friends, I'm introducing in this video, and the beautiful rock pebble art design where I'm sharing with you, and you can like this beautiful styles, have a very stylistic design where I'm sharing with you, and you can gain new and different style ideas where I'm introducing. Hope so guys, you like this video. That's looking so beautiful ideas where I'm introducing, and you can enjoying its